Number 7, we want to draw a bar graph. So a bar graph is just basically showing the number of items that show up in each of these categories. We have 4 different categories. Probably don't need my calculator for that one. So we had 17 employees. It shows their monthly salaries. We want to know how many people were between $2,000 and $2,499. So I'm looking at my list. 2,200 would be there. 2,400 would be in there, 2,100 would be in there, 2,000 even would be in there, 2,500 is too big, and so that looks like all of those values, so I'm going to have 4. So you're going to grab the bottom with a little tool, you're just going to pull it up to the number 4. It's going to pull that bar up so it shows that you had 4 items in that category. 2,500 to 2,999. So 2,700 would be in there, 2,500 would be in there, 2,800 and 2,900 and 2,600. All those are in there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to pull the bar up to the number 5, show my bar graph. The next one says 3,000 to 3,499. So 3,400, 3,200, 3,100, 3,300, 3,200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. So I'm going to pull that up to the number 5. And then the last one's 3,500 to 3,999. So 3,800, 3,500, 3,600, and that should be it. 3 items. 1, 2, 3. And so that should show our table. If you take 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3, you end up with the 17 total items that we had, right? 4 in this category, 5 here, and 3 there. Number 8. Again, we have 17 items. They're listing the price paid for 17 homes. And we want to put them in the table. They kind of snuck these ones in the middle, so just kind of watch that. But they should go in order, 150,000 to 199,000. So looking for the ones that start with 100,000. We got 150,000, so 155,000, and to 199, so 195,000. Just looks like there's 2 in that category. And then we have this section down here, 2,000 to 249, or 200,000 to 249,000. So 200,000, 205,000, 230,000. 250 be too big. 205,000, 215,000, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in that middle category, so I'm going to draw it right where that little space is. Then we got the next section, 250 to 299. So we've got a 250, another 250, and a 290, so 3. Then we got 300 to 349, so 310, 325, 345, too big, 315, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in the middle here. And then we have the last section. I'm going to go back to blue here. Anything bigger than 350,000. So 365, 390, and 370 are all bigger than that, so we've got 3. And so we had 2 here, 5 here, 3 here, 4 here, and 3 there. If I add those up, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. Yep, I've got all 17 accounted for. My graph should look something sort of like that. Number 9, we've got shopping times. So the shopping times given here for 17 shoppers. The first category, 20 to 25. So 20 to 25, 22, 23, That looks like the only ones that are between 20 and 25. 2. 26 to 31. 27. It gives you a weird number in there. 26 to 31. So 26. 30 would be in there. 27. 29. 26 to 31. Looks like I have all of those. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 32 to 37. So 32 to 37. 33, 32, 32 to 37. Just 2 of them in there. 38 to 43. Whoops, I'll go to black here. 38. So 39 to 43. So 40 and 40 and 43. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last group, we're going from 44 to 49. So 46, 44, 49, and 48, we have 4. So we had 2, we had 5, we had 2, we had 4, and 4. 8, 9, 10, plus 7 would be 17. Got them all counted up. So our graph should look something like that.